So, hi guys! Gagawa ko ng fruit salad. So, ito meron akong fruit cocktail, then condensed, and tapos dinagdagan ko ng nata. Gusto kasi maraming nata sa fruit salad. So, ito lang yung ingredients ko guys.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Dito sa area ko, bawal kasi magluto dito. So, yung mga ganitong luto lang pwede. Kasi free meals naman din kami dito. So, ganito lang. Yung mga ano lang. Mga salad din lang pwede luto. So, lagyan na natin yung nata.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Ito na yung fruit salad. Kasi may free meals kami, pero may ginagawang fruit salad din sa dining area. Pero hindi kasi yung fruit salad na gusto ko. So, gumawa ng sarili kong fruit salad. Yung talagang fruit salad na pang-pili. So, ito na siya. Madali lang naman gumawa
Remember
nito.
the days we were young, wild and free.
And ang maganda rin
Basic
naman
getting
dito, meron naman kami supermarket.
We
Kasi
used
diba
to
yung
dance
area
the night
ko,
away, hang out the whole
napakalay
next
talaga nito sa
day,
mga family yan. So, meron naman supermarket sa loob, pero hindi naman